2 years ago, I was introduced to Lucida by a good friend of mine. Nasa Amerika siya. Nasa Amerika kami nung nasabi sa akin to. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung Lucida. Until pinakita sa akin yung bote. At ang sinabi niya sa akin, pampaputi kasi ito kaya niya iniinom. Eh nakikita ko naman merong difference sa kanya. So binasa ko yung bote. Kung babasahin niyo yung bote, ito, merong glutathione. It's actually an antioxidant. Marami siyang health benefits. Dito yung alpha-lipoic acid, meron siyang vitamin C, of course, meron siyang glutathione. And ang ginagawa nito talaga, it helps rejuvenate the body. Nagbibigay siya ng iba-ibang benefits na kailangan ng katawan natin. Na kung minsan pag kumakain tayo on an everyday basis, hindi natin naiinom yung kailangan ng katawan natin. So, it is an antioxidant. Ang sabi nila, ang effects daw ng Lucida is that you turn a little lighter. So, ako naman, it works well for me because I play. Naglalaro ako, I do golf, tennis, at nagbabadminton ako. And every time I take it, this is how I feel. I feel better, and it works very well for me. So, ito yung bote ng Lucida. And, ito naman yung grapeseed extract. Yung grapeseed kasi, pag umiinom ng wine, merong red grapes, merong white grapes. So yung skin ng red grapes, ando dun tannins, which is again, antioxidant. So these are the bottles, at ito naman yung combination niya. Pagka bumili ka nito, makikita mo yung two bottles that go hand in hand. Yung isa may glutathione, yung isa may grapeseed extract. So this is how it comes. So I'm really very happy about the product. I've been taking it more than a year now, and wala akong complaints. Actually, it works very well on me, and I hope it works very well on you also. I will definitely recommend this to family and friends. Definitely. And thank you.